Hello and welcome. Finding inspiration is one of the essentials of 3D environment creation. I was inspired by pwnisher's video. It was challenging for me and I learned a lot from this video. Other than that, I try to find my reference images from Pinterest and Google Images. As you know, this is the breakdown video and I will not talk about all the details. I started by blocking out the environment to see what will place over the screen. So one little advice: before trying out to create something, learn the basics of the Blender. I failed a lot until here, but I am very happy where I am right now. Modeling was not challenging in this project. I used pre-made models to finish this project fast. After completely blocking out part, I import car and place it somewhere look good in camera. The ocean is big part of the animation. Blender has an ocean modifier to create ocean easily. After adding a plane, you can add your modifier to plane and your ocean will be created. After created the ocean, you have to give an animation to it. For the animation, you have to write in the time section hash frame divided by 30. You can pause the video and check the notes, or I have 50 minutes speed modeling video. You can check that and copy the modifier to your own video. The ocean creation process built all in Blender, and also the foam effect was given in Blender. There is no additional script or any add-on. I use PBR materials mostly for texturing. I add additional nodes to catch more realism. Some parts of the reflection or environment textures are created as procedural materials. Rain animation and gravel replacement are filling the scene. I use particle system for both. Gravels are air system and the rain is emitter system. You have to change the object, raindrops and gravels to see same results. Cinematic lighting affects animation a lot, and if you learn it, you can enhance your renders. Add all the necessary light scene. Do not add too much light. It will break the scene and you will not get a good final result. I will leave a website about cinematography and lighting in description. A small detail, but it fills the scene, so you can find it under the force field, arrange the influence and loop it. Easy and powerful trick. The biggest detail of the animation are fog. It gives emotion to scene and breaking the light. It helps a lot for cinematic scenes. You can check the movies, all have haze in it.